Good morning, my dear students. Namaste. So, today we are going to learn a wonderful, beautiful asana, Vakrasana in 8-step method. First step, we have 7 sub-points. The first point is name of the asana, Vakrasana. Second sub-point, meaning of the asana, twisting pose. Third sub-point, justification of the asana. In the final posture, your upper portion of the body from waist to head completely twisted. Fourth sub-point, category of asana, cultural. Fifth sub-point, type of the asana, sitting. Sixth sub-point, complementary of asana, self-complementary. Seventh sub-point is count of asana is 8 counts. So, our first step over. Now, second step, we have 3 sub-points. First point, silent demonstration. Please continue. Now, second sub-point, demonstration with count, sthiti, ready to do, dandasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Relaxation Shitila Dandasana. Third sub-point, demonstration with counts, with breathing, with explanation. Sthiti, ready to do. Dandasana. 1, fold the left leg, full inhale. Your left foot, side of the right knee. 2, exhale, complete. Raise your both hands at shoulder level, parallel to the ground. 3, twist your abdomen, your both hands perpendicular to each other, complete inhale. And 4, complete exhale. Just take the right arm around the left knee, hold at your big toe or ankle, twist your backbone, abdomen like a screw. Your left palm on the ground, your from waist to head, maintain if possible 90. Face is smile, Focus at your abdomen or back or neck or thighs or hip joints. You choose any one point, one area. Stiram Sukham Asanam, Stiram steady, Sukham, it's giving the happiness pain, enjoyful massage. When you are getting miserable pain, then come back to the Sthiti. Punch, raise your both hands. Full inhale. Take, untwist your body. Complete exhale, both hands fall to the ground. And complete inhale, down your both hands. And yet complete exhale, release the left leg, just relax in Sitila Dandasana. Legs apart, take the both hands back, collapse your shoulders, observe the beautiful twisting abdomen. Now third step, benefits and contraindications. By practicing this asana, twisting your abdomen, all important organs at your abdomen are stimulated, like pancreas, spleen, intestine, liver, etc., etc. By twisting of this asana, then beautiful pressure on your pancreas gland, then pancreas release the insulin in the proper way for reduce the sugar levels in your blood. Therefore, this is a beautiful asana to control diabetes. Very, very helpful those who are suffering with kidneys problems. By twisting, beautiful massage to your back muscles, lateral twisting gives the flexibility to your backbone, strengthen your back nerves, strengthen your back muscles. By twisting of your head, makes the thyroid healthy, keeps the function very well. By twisting your body, beautiful stretching to your hip muscles. If there is any excess fat at your buttocks and hip joints and hip muscles, reduce the fat. Like so many benefits. Contraindications. Almost all it has no contraindications. Okay, now fourth step, individual practice. Please get ready. Come to Sthiti. Instructor giving the instructions and demonstrator is doing the demonstration, and instructor will come to the nearby the students. If there is any mistakes, correct the instructor. Okay, ready to do. All are ready, get ready. Sit erect. One, hold the left leg, full inhale. Two, raise your both hands at shoulder level. Both hands are parallel to the ground. Complete exhale. Three, twist your back. Ashok garu doing wrong. Both hands perpendicular to each other. Both hands parallel to the ground. Full inhale. Complete exhale, your left palm on the ground. Take the right arm around the left knee. If possible, hold at your big toe or ankle. Then complete exhale, twist your backbone or abdomen like a screw. Look beyond on the left shoulder with closed eyes. Enjoy the beautiful massaging to your abdomen, beautiful massaging to your back. Five, raise your both hands perpendicular to each other, full inhale. Six, untwist your body, both hands parallel to the ground, complete exhale. Seven, full inhale, down your both hands, And complete exhale, release the left leg, just relax. In Shitila Dandasana. Okay. Now fifth step, pair practice. So total students divide into two groups, A and B group. A group will be perform, then B group will be observe. If there is any mistakes, B group will be correct to the A group. So Ashok garu, Malleshwari garu, M. Srinivas garu is the A group. B group is Maunika garu, Ramya garu, Pradeep garu. B group, right? A group is performing, then B group is observing. Maunika garu, please observe the Ashok garu. And Ramya garu, please observe the Malleshwari garu. And Pradeep garu, observe the M. Srinivas garu. Please continue. A group. Okay, relax. Maunika garu, please unmute if there is any mistake in Ashok garu.
ట్విస్టింగ్ సరిగా చేయలేదనిపించింది సార్.
Okay, so twisting is not perfect.
పర్ఫెక్ట్.
Okay, okay, good. Please mute. Next, Ramya garu, what about Malleshwari garu?
మేడం బాగా చేశారు కానీ హెడ్ టర్న్ ఒకటి చేయలేదు సార్, ఇలా బ్యాక్ టర్న్ చేయలేదు.
Okay, nice.
అదొక
Please mute.
టోటల్ గా
Please mute.
అంతా.
Pradeep garu, unmute. What about M. Srinivas garu?
Left position లో రైట్ నుండి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ పట్టుకోవాలి, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ పట్టుకోవాలి.
Okay, if possible, hold the ankle. If possible, hold the toes. Okay, nice. Okay, thank you. Next, B group is performing. Then observe the A group. Please continue. B group. Right. Okay, continue. Okay, relax. Relax. Just please unmute one by one. Ashok garu.
పర్ఫెక్ట్ చేశారు.
What about Maunika garu? Perfect. Nice. Malleshwari garu. What about Ramya garu?
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, nice. Srinivas garu. What about Pradeep garu?
బాగా చేశారు సార్.
బాగా చేశారు. Okay, nice. Please all mute. Now sixth step, key points. So when you are performing final posture, do not raise your stretching leg. Try to hold at your big toe or ankles if possible. So when you are in final posture, your trunk should be perpendicular to the earth. Then when you are in final posture, maintain the both shoulders 90 degrees to each other. In the final posture, do not shake, do not move. Face is smile, just you focus at your abdomen or at your back or at your neck or at your hip joints, etc., etc. So these are the key points. Now seventh step, group practice. Chalo, get ready. Ready to do? Come to Dandasana. Legs together, hands by the side of the body. Good. One, fold the right leg, full inhale. Right foot at the left knee. Sit erect. Dve, raise your both hands at shoulder level, perpendicular to the ground. Complete exhale. Trini, twist your backbone. Full inhale. Both hands are parallel to the ground and perpendicular to each other. Chetwari, try to touch the back palm on the ground. Take the left arm around the right knee. If possible, hold at your big toe. Twist your abdomen like a screw. Look beyond on the right shoulder. Face is smile. Maunika garu, do not bend more. Just try to maintain 90 from waist to head. Malleshwari garu, please look beyond on the right shoulder. If possible, face is a smile. Just you should focus on your back or on your abdomen or on your thyroid gland, etc. etc. Punch, full inhale. Raise your both hands parallel to the ground and perpendicular to each other. Che, full inhale. Untwist your body. Both hands are parallel to the ground. 7, full inhale. Down your both hands. And 8, complete exhale. Release the right leg. Just relax in Shitila. Dandasana. Eighth step, final question and answers. Please ask regarding Vakrasana if you have any doubts. Ramya garu.
సార్ కేటగిరీ అంటారు కదా సార్, కేటగిరీ కల్చరల్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్?
Yes. So there will be a 3 types of asanas are there. First is the relaxation postures, and second is the meditative postures, third is the cultural postures. 99% all are the cultural. So this is a Sitila Dandasana, relaxation posture. Vajrasana, Padmasana, Sukhasana is the meditative postures. Relaxation postures are the Sitila Dandasana, Makarasana, Shavasana, etc. etc. 99% occupy the cultural postures. Okay, is it okay? Madam, except relaxation, except meditative postures, all are the cultural postures.
లేదు సార్, క్లియర్
Okay.
అయింది సార్. ఒక డౌట్ సార్.
చెప్పండి.
సార్ అప్పుడు సిట్టింగ్ ఆసనాస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్, దానికి జస్టిఫికేషన్ మీనింగ్ ఎలా రాయాలి సార్?
జస్టిఫికేషన్, మీరు ఆసనం చేసినప్పుడు అది ఏ ఆకారంలోనైతే కనబడుతుందో ఆ ఆకారమే జస్టిఫికేషన్.
ఓకే.
టుడే అవర్ సెషన్ క్లోజ్ విత్ 3 times Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Release your hands, rub your palms. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Give a nice massage to your face muscles. Say 3 times Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Give a nice massage to your neck muscles also with few blinkings and gently open the eyes. Hari Om. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Namaste.